Welcome back to Just the Universe Facts. Today I'm diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about Saturn that are sure to blow your cosmic minds. Buckle up and let's get interstellar. First up, Saturn is the crown jewel of our solar system with its magnificent rings. But did you know those rings are made mostly of ice and rock? That's right, some of the ice particles are as small as grains of sand while others are as large as mountains. Imagine a mountain made of ice orbiting in space. Now Saturn might look serene from a distance, but it's actually a gas giant. This means it doesn't have a solid surface. If you tried to stand on Saturn, you'd sink into its dense atmosphere of hydrogen and helium until you were crushed by the pressure. Definitely not a vacation spot. Speaking of its atmosphere, Saturn has some of the most extreme weather in the solar system. Ever heard of the Great White Spot? It's a massive, raging storm that appears once every Saturnian year, which is about 29.5 Earth years. These storms are so gigantic they can be seen from Earth through telescopes. One of Saturn's moons, Titan, is quite the superstar. Titan is larger than the planet Mercury and is the only moon in the solar system with a dense atmosphere. It even has lakes and rivers of liquid methane. Imagine sailing on a sea of methane. Crazy, right? And let's not forget Enceladus, another of Saturn's moons. Enceladus is covered in ice, but beneath its frozen crust lies a global ocean. There are geysers that shoot water vapor and ice particles out into space, which means it's one of the prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. Now get this, Saturn is the least dense planet in our solar system. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Its density is so low that it's actually less than water. Saturn also has a hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole. This bizarre weather pattern spans about 30,000 kilometers across, larger than Earth itself. Scientists are still baffled by this strange phenomenon. Random fun fact: Saturn was the first planet to be observed through a telescope by Galileo in 1610. He couldn't quite make out the rings and thought Saturn had ears. Imagine how baffled he must have been. Oh, and did you know Saturn has 83 moons? Yeah, you heard that right, 83. Each moon has its unique characteristics, making Saturn a mini solar system of its own. Finally, Saturn's day is incredibly short. It spins so fast on its axis that one day lasts only about 10.7 hours. Imagine getting all your daily activities done in less than half the time we do on Earth. And that's it for today's journey through the wonders of Saturn. I hope you learned something new and exciting. Make sure to subscribe and like the video for more galactic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up.